Hi, my name is Ikechukwu Eze and I'm here to talk about computer programming. A computer is an electronic device that stores, reads, retrieves, and outputs and information. What is computer programming? Computer programming is a set of instructions sent to the computer to perform a specific task. What is a code? Code is a system of words, letters, or symbols used to represent other meaning, especially with intent of secrecy. What is coding? Coding is the process of assigning code to something. Example, computer coding is the use of computer programming languages to give computers and machines a set of instructions on what actions to perform. It's how humans communicate with computers. It's what allows us to create computer software like programs, operating systems, and mobile apps. What is decoding? Decoding is the process of converting a coded message into a readable format. Computer language. The computer language is defined as code or syntax, which is used to write programs or any specific applications. Data are raw facts, figures, or information that can be stored in a computer that can be processed or manipulated upon. Data type. Data types refers to the different kinds of data formats used by a given programming language. Integers. Integers are positive or negative whole numbers. Boolean represents either true or false, example 1 or 0. Strings are alphabet characters used to represent a group of words. Operators instruct the computer to perform a specific mathematical operation. Operator precedence instructs the computer which arithmetic order to follow. Arithmetic operator. This performs mathematical operations on numbers. Example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Comparison operator. This is used to compare two numbers, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Variables. Introduction to variables. Variables are computer data that has the tendency of changing during the course of a program runtime. Constants are computer data that cannot be changed during the course of a program runtime. Control structures. Control statement instructs a program to execute in a particular order depending on the condition being tested. If statement is executed when the condition is true. Else statement is executed when the condition is false. Go to takes you to a specific line of code. Control structures. Loop statement repeats an instruction until a condition is met. Example of loop: for statement, while statement, do while statement. Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language and website targeted primarily at children 8 to 16 as an educational tool for coding. Users on the site, called Scratchers, can create projects on the web using a block-like interface.